I've wanted to be on Blue Peter since I was like 8.
Well, I've wanted to be a member of a Happy Path since I was 8.
Well, that's good. I've got a Happy Path and you've got a Blue Peter.
Everyone's winning.
Yeah. The stage was set. Time to launch our fantastic send into the nation.
It's the biggest den that we've ever done.
Really?
Yeah, and we need help with it, basically.
Okay, well, speaking of help, that's where you lot at home come in. You need to fill out your happy memory. You can draw it, you can write it, you can be quite creative, can't you, as well?
Of things. It's everyone's chance to be a part of history, so...
I want to be a part of it,
So basically, get involved. Come on, no excuses, get drawing.
We received some awesome designs from you guys at home, along with football legend Steven Gerrard.
Designs in, the next stage of our Happy Path journey was to visit the place where your drawings are transformed from paper to pathway slabs.
All right, Rob, how do we get our pictures onto the stones? What's the plan?
We're going to use this cool sandblasting cabinet to carve the designs into the stone. We've got to do 200 of these designs, so we need all the help we can get.
200. Girls, are you ready to help?
Yeah.
We're ready to help.
The first step from paper to Happy Path slab involves using ultraviolet light to make a stencil of the original design. The material must be strong enough to withstand the mighty sandblasting machine.
So this big light will shine down through the stencil onto the blue and create the design for us. So we put it underneath the lamp. Here we go. So this is now exposing that blue material to bright light, basically like sunlight this, exposing part of it, but not all of it. And it'll switch off in a second. There we go. There's Joe's design. Can you see it? It's magic, isn't it? The design is there, it's imprinted in that material, and in a few minutes, you guys are going to make this appear.
That's amazing.
For this magnificent magic trick, all Rob needs is a water tap and a pressure washer.
And what we do is we spray the stencil with the water, and that then dissolves the design and makes it magically appear.
Wow, it's a magical scene.
So we're just moving backwards and forwards. Oh look, I can see a tree.
Yes. I see coconut. Look at that. Wow.
With Mia and Nell fully up to speed, they crack on making more stencils, whilst Holly and Ruby join in on the next step of the process.
So we've got the stencil here, and we're now going to push it into the big cool cabinet where the sandblaster will fire grit through a nozzle and it will carve out the design for us.
Holly and Ruby help to make sure both the concrete slab and the sandblasting nozzle are in the correct position, and then it's sandblasting time.
It looks brilliant. It really does.
It's doing the clouds on your drawing.
It's quiet as well.
Sandblasting's complete.
There we go.
All that's left is to paint the engraved design and peel off the stencil.
Yes! Look at that.
Okay, so I'm going to leave you to do the other 199. You've just got to go somewhere. Okay, bye.
Back at the build, the final Happy Path slabs are being laid. And there's a special guest here to help out, Lindsay from Blue Peter.
You can see we've got a bit of cement on the floor there. So then what you have to do is you have to use this trowel to smooth everything out. It's like icing a cake, actually.
Oh, yeah.
Then what you do is you gently squidge it down. And you see that line there? So we've got to get nice and level with that line, OK?
Demo complete, it's over to us lot to start laying some Happy Path slabs.
Hello. Right, let's get to work. Come on, team. Are you meant to be leaning on that one, Joe?
What? Oh, no. Ava, is it time for the slab, do you think?
We need to get it spreaded more.
Let me try.
Okay.
Yeah, I think Lindsay will be able to do it.
Do you reckon?
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you for having faith in me. Right.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Do you know what I mean? I'm just lobbing it around.
I'm so sorry.
Covered,
Does
eh?
that matter?
Joe.
Oh, look, it's coming straight off.
Josh, you ready for a slab, mate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Okay. Okay.
Joe.
No, okay.
Not the string.
You're terrible at that.
Who did that one? Did you do that one?
No, Sedge did that one.
Oh, yours is better than Sedge's.
You can tell that one.
Yeah, yours is well better than Sedge's.
With Lindsay and the Dengineers' help, the Happy Path is finished in no time.
I've absolutely loved being here and being a Dengineer for the day. I think anyone who sent in a memory should be super proud because looking around, all you want to do is smile. There's happiness everywhere.